Okay, my name is Jonas Lusa. This is my first vlog. I will show you a bit of my kitchen and oyo eza vlog na ngai ya liboso nako lakisa bino ndambo ya cuisine nalingi nakende kokata mandefu. I am about to go shave. Soki nasilisi kokata mandefu nako sokola. I will take a shower. After shaving, I will take a shower. Tango nasilisi kosokola nako kende na centre-ville. After taking a shower, I will go to the city center, downtown. Naza kokende kosomba ordinateur. I am going to buy a computer. Na kosomba ordinateur, I will buy a computer. Na kosomba pe chapeau mosusu ya sika. I will also buy a new hat. Tango mosusu, maybe na kosomba pe sapato. I may also purchase some shoes. Kasi oyo na yebi, but what I know, na kosomba chemise. But I know that I will purchase a shirt. Okay, nakoloba mingi te. I will not talk much. Nalingi nakende kolakisa bino cuisine ndambu. Bogomona frigo na cuisinière. I am about to go show you a bit of the kitchen. You will see the fridge and the cooker. Alright, let's go.